What up, guys? So today we woke up a little bit earlier and we are going to Palm Springs. We're gonna go to like Target and stuff because we have to go and get Irving's nephew, well, our nephew now, a birthday gift, and his birthday is at 3 o'clock today, so we are going to be attending that. Yeah, so we're gonna get him a present and then we're gonna go watch a movie. So we were in between movies. We were gonna see Deadpool, but it came out just recently, so there's gonna be a lot of people at the movies, so we decided not to do Deadpool. So we're gonna do Quiet Place because I heard it was so good. So yeah, we're gonna head down there and I will see you guys there. Guys, we just got out of Target. We got Irving's nephew, or our nephew. We got him toys for his birthday. We got him a crap load. Irving got like a truck for him, a dump truck. He got some cars for him, and then I got this like this Batman, Superman kind of thing because his dad loves Batman and Superman and stuff. So yeah, but anywho, we're gonna go to Mary Pickford and we're going to pick our seats, and then I don't know where else we're gonna go. We still have like an hour to kill. So we decided to stop at El Pollo. You're so rude. Yummers. I haven't had El Pollo in so long because we don't have one by us, but it's so bomb. We got home and we took a nap, but we watched Quiet Place, The Quiet Place, and it was actually really good. Highly recommend it. It was kind of scary at some points. Like I was like, I don't know, I think it was just because the music was like really loud and it made me jump. But yeah, it was actually really good. What did you think about it, babe?
It was good. It had its moments.
Yeah, so yeah, highly recommend it. Maybe the next time we'll do the we'll see, what's it called? What is it called again?
Yeah,
Deadpool. We're gonna head to Irving's nephew's party now, and I might film some of it. We'll see. So I'm just gonna take my camera just in case.
All right, guys. He doesn't want it.
To you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Liam. Happy birthday to you. I wrote on that cake.
They're helping.
I pushed it, took it out of the refrigerator a while ago. It's that buttercream, it's really good. Came from the commissary. Oh, that's crazy.
He's like, I don't like it.
Keep this off me.
Yeah. Mom, really? Yeah. Oh, yeah, she makes the cake. Oh, okay. She made that for me. I need you to stick to the food.
There you go.
There
There you go, buddy. There you go, buddy. Fuck a hole.
The dog is ready.
There you go.
There you go.
You gonna help him, man?
He was tired now.
You're all sugared up.
I know.
No, after that cake, you'll be good. That'll be good. Yeah, you'll be able to better give him some Nyquil. Put a little bit in the pocket.
Give some whiskey.
He doesn't have parent in the dog.
I'm telling you, sleep here a little. Last night, 16, 18 years ago.
That looks so cool.
Really loud voice.
Why do our gifts suck? We're the only ones that got toys.
Daddy, what are you doing?
This was front. Oh,
Macy's here.
Thanks, guys.
Did you see that? It was like a $7. It was like $7 on TV.
Here, can you take that?
But yeah, first movie, right?
Son. Grab this one. A dump truck. It says it on the box.
I know. So the house that we're at, they actually have pigs. What? Okay, still pigs. Come here. Come here. There's two of them, you said?
Yeah. The other one was sleeping, so I didn't want to scare it.
Come here.
Yeah, Deli, that's his nickname, but his real name is Thelma.
Thelma?
Yes.
Sounds like a girl's name.
I know, right? Deli, I got treats, baby. Come here. Ellie,
Throw it like over the fence.
okay.
Towards.
On the roof.
You threw it on the roof?
I'm sorry,
Oh, man, you
it's all
landed on it.
bad.
Yeah.
Here, let me see. What's up, guys? So today we're gonna go get Leo shots. The reason why they didn't give him his shots the last 2 weeks was because he had those pills which worked really good. Like they're like anti-itch pills, and then he also had like antibiotics because he had like a little bit of a skin infection. After the 2 weeks, which it is now after 2 weeks, we are heading there to get either his rabies shot or some other shot to prevent him, like say if he gets like any like coyote pee or anything like that in his eye, he won't get sick. So yeah, either one of those shots, I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna go there and probably hit up Starbucks. I want to go to Walmart really bad, but I don't know if I can with him. I just don't want them to kick me out. Oh my god, I was such an idiot, you guys. So for some reason when we went to the movies last week, I ended up filming, and I ended up deleting some of the footage from like a couple weeks ago that I still needed to edit, and I thought I uploaded it on my computer. It turns out I didn't, so I lost some of that footage. So we stopped by at Starbucks after Leo's appointment. He just got his shots. I'm gonna have to come back in like 4 weeks or something to get his other shots. But oh my gosh, they offered him a Puppachino or like a dog treat, and Leo doesn't really like the dog treats. I don't know why, but this is Leo's first Puppachino. Here, his first Puppachino. I don't think he has any idea. Maybe he'll lick it if it's on my finger. Here. You like it, Chubbs? Here. I'm gonna have to give some of this to Mikey because I think Mikey would like it more. He doesn't really care for it. He doesn't like sweets. I don't know why, but he just doesn't. Here. And put it on his... Put it on his mouth. You like it, Chomps? Hmm? Yeah, it's good, huh? So I'm just gonna have that there while he can lick it if he wants. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. You like your Puppachino? This is so freaking cute. Oh my gosh, he loves it. I gotta take pictures. Mikey's turn. I think it's empty, Leo. What's up, Michael? Look, Mikey's gonna go for it. Okay. Don't you guys hate when all of your electronics die? My phone, dead. This computer by me, dead. And I don't even have the chargers right by me either. First world problems. But Leo's been a little bit tired lately. Since we got home. We took a nap, but he just seems a little bit drowsy and out of it. So hopefully he's okay. Right, Chubbs? Hopefully you're okay. I think he's sore from his shots though. He got his shot, I think, on the shoulder. So hopefully he's okay. He was like twitching a little because I think it was so sore. But anywho, I don't think I'm gonna run today. I was going to, but I'll probably just run tomorrow. I just don't feel it. What are you doing? I just don't feel like running. I gotta edit too, so that's what I'm gonna do as soon as I can get my butt up.